Okay, so it's 3:30 right now, market just open. So I added like GBP USD to my watch list because it's a correlated pair with EU, so we may have better possibilities. My daily bias for today is a bullish, so we are expecting to find some sort of long setup, and right now we are sweeping this low on Euro USD. We just swept that, and we are going to take out this low too on GBP USD. Let's see the dollar index, how it's doing. We should expect something like this, like a retest of this one right here. You should see like some sort of rejection from this level right now, or in the next few minutes. So right now we are waiting is Euro USD to give us a change of character right here, and maybe we could follow on GBP USD. We're only 3 minutes into this market, so we have to be patient and just wait. Let me change my glasses. So I have the blue filter on and it's easier for me. Today we had, let me check if you can see, okay. Today we had unemployment claims at 2:30 in my time zone, so it gave us a push to the downside, but then it kept going up. Same thing here, but then it came back down. So yeah. Another thing is that we are on a higher time frame support / resistance zone, so it's also nice to know that we are on a higher time frame point of interest. As always, we had our liquidity sweep, and our possible targets on Euro USD are obviously the most recent high right here. Then we have all these price bonds all the way up here, and even this. Meanwhile, on GBP USD we have these almost equal highs right here, very strong. Then we have another one here and another one here. So it's looking promising. While the liquidity pools on the downside could be this sort of equal low here, but then there's only this one right here all the way down here, so it's looking better towards the upside. What we like to see is like price chopping it up for a little bit here. Meanwhile, GBP USD possibly going all the way down here to take out these lows. But you know, we could even be good even if it doesn't happen. But the more time we consolidate here, the higher the probabilities that price will shoot up onto these previous highs. Okay. It seems like price is chopping it up for a little bit right here, and prices keep going down here. It looks good at the moment. And meanwhile here it seems like, yeah. No, a strong support level on GBP USD2 on the 4 hourly. Actually Euro USD2. So yeah. So now we're waiting for change of character on Euro USD, and maybe even on GBP USD, because even though we haven't hit the full liquidity sweep here, we have it on Euro USD, so it's all good. But right now, preferably, I would take the setup on Euro USD. Just because I have this sort of the same setup on both ends, but I'm more confident with Euro USD price action than GBP USD. But if it happens, I may take the trade on here too. Who knows? Right now it's giving me the change of character. So we had our change of character on GBP USD. So right now what we are looking for is an entry confluence on the 1 minute time frame, which could be a simple retest and break of that previous high, or a fill of fair value gap or some sort of. Right now I would prefer GBP trade, just for the reason of a risk to reward. Damn, price is flying without us. But I'm pretty sure we will have our retest. And if we don't, then we are down for the day and we just go and walk away. Sooner or later it will have to come back. You know what? Since both pairs are pretty similar, I think I will just focus on GBP USD. Hopefully we get a retracement and price doesn't just fly without us. But it could happen, and in that case we should just accept it. This is the last 5-minute candle of the hour. I just want to see a retracement here. Now actually I'm going to switch off, and I think I will take the trade on Euro USD because for the simple reason that it seems like GBP USD is going to take out these highs and Euro USD hasn't taken them. So if GBP USD is going to be able to reach these highs, I'm even going to be more sure about the trade on Euro USD, because that means that even Euro USD will have to take these highs at least. So right now just be patient and wait. Okay, now we are having our drop. We got our drop, and if the candle closes bullish, I might take the trade head on, because this is like a fair value gap on the 5 minutes, and if this candle closes bullish outside of this range, I will look for about or actually I could wait for a break again. Yeah, I'm into this trade. Our entry is 743. Oh my god. Our stop loss is here. TP1. This is my final TP, I'll say. So but you know what, honestly, since today it's not a great day, I will settle for it here, and then I will close 50% of the position eventually if price reaches this high, and I'll just put stop loss a break even and trade all the way up there. It's looking great, but let's just wait. So ideally, final position could be all the way up here, but I don't think it's going to be a quick one. So yep. Mhm. Honestly, my final TP should be just here realistically. Like, so let me just change it up. Because even if I put the TP all the way up there, it's never going to reach that today. And I'm not looking to hold the position for multiple days. So just TP1 here, close 50, or I don't know. Yeah, close 50% here, stop loss break even, and let it run. It's looking very pretty right now. So actually, I think about that. I think about taking profits right now. Don't know if it's going to be the right thing to do, but maybe close hard position, stop loss, and take you all the way up there. Or I don't know. But I have to think. First thing first, we should see if price is able to reach here without stopping us out. First thing first. And then we'll think about the rest. I'll set my alarms and I'll just go and eat some fruit. I'm gonna mute myself and we'll see each other when either of alarms hit. I'll just watch something on my PC right now. Okay, so we hit take profit one on GBP USD even though we are not in Detroit, and it seems like Euro USD is starting to reject this zone right here. Personally, since it looks very pretty on the dollar index and on both the pairs, what I'm going to do, I think, is going first of all to put stops at break even right now at a 1 to 1. Oh my god, honestly my emotions are starting to kick in. Wait a second. To be objective, take profit did not get hit on Euro USD. It did not get hit, so I should not be taking stops at break even just out of fear. It seems pretty, so there's still upside potential. What I'm going to do is just wait. And hopefully we do not get stopped out, but we have to follow our rules. Honestly, my mind right now is just telling me to close this trade and just don't do anything. But if I keep doing this, I will keep cutting my winning trades short, and this is not what you are supposed to do. So what I'm going to do is to follow my rules and not close this trade until it gives me a valid reason to. I can see the GBP USD is getting to his second TP. Meanwhile, Euro USD is stuck here on this zone of resistance. Volume it seems to be starting to slow down, and the only thing I want to do right now is to close this trade. But in that case, I will follow my emotions and not my rules. In fact, it's still looking pretty great. On multiple time frames, it's looking great. And for this reason, I'm not closing it, even if my emotions are telling me to do it. Like I'm seeing the price dropping down 3 pips, and my heart is racing. I'm a little bit pissed because I did not enter in GBP USD. So yeah, this is overall my emotions right now. Because right now I would be up to RR if I would have entered on GBP USD. Meanwhile on Euro USD I'm stuck here. It's consolidating. But I would like to see this wedge get fucking crazy and push up. Honestly. Like even looking at the dollar index is still looking pretty good. We are taking out these lows again, and then we have all these two lows versus these very weak lows. So yep. Yeah, screen just went fuck all again. Wait a second. Alright, fuck off. It's not doing its work. And now price started to drop. But guess what I'm going to do? Absolutely nothing. Right now, I'm going through a lot of ideas. Like I should fucking close this trade because I know price will just come all the way down here to stop me out, and then maybe it will keep going up. Because that's what happened in the past. But that doesn't mean that I should close it, because what I should do is follow my rules. But at the same time it's very difficult. So yeah, you know what? I think I'll just mm, just need to be strong and follow my rules. Mm. It's so annoying. Yeah, GG's. G fucking G's. Like, why though? Yeah, if I follow my rules, I don't win. I don't follow my rules, I don't win. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Like, look, it's obvious. It's going to drop down. But if I fucking close my fucking trade, I don't know. Fuck off. Yeah, GG's. Nice. Crazy. Price will just reverse on me. It will stop me out. Crazy. Unexpected. Yeah, GG's, 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 GG's. Yep. We are getting dumped. The reason, I don't know, but it's going to happen. Obviously, we enter on the worst pair between the two. It's so fucking obvious. You know what? I'm gonna just let it play out. I'm gonna cut the record right here, and we're going to see each other when it either hits one of my TPs or a stop loss. I won't manually close it. Okay, so stop loss got hit. Pretty pissed, but sometimes it just happens. Probably I should have closed because after 4:30, yada yada. I'm pissed, but sometimes it just goes like this. You follow your rules and everything, and yet you still lose. So yeah, see you tomorrow or next week.